Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am going to do a quick little tile with the bloom technique on it. I've been playing around with this for a few days. It's so much fun. It's very addicting, just like all the other things we do, right? So I got my formula from Tammy Anderson, who has a great video, couple videos about this, the detailed recipe. And I am following her recipe. So you go and check that out and try it and let me know how it goes for you guys. I have some primary elements. That's what I am playing with today. These two. This is Daffodil and Sweet Thistle. These two. Then I also am using Liquitex Basics Dioxizine Purple. My topper is Amsterdam White with a little bit of floetrol in it. And my pillow will be, is house paint. So it's just like a semi-gloss house paint. So, all right, let's get started. Oh, and my pouring medium is, that I mix my paints with, is the polycrylic and see. This interior exterior high gloss Sherwin Williams, which is the brand. They make this for Lowe's. The only place you can get this, I think, is at Lowe's. It's the Ultra Deep Base. You have to get the Ultra Deep because it's a disaster if you don't. I accidentally just got something else. Let's see. I got just the deep base, not the ultra deep base, and it just sucked the colors away. Like it poured beautifully, and you were like, "Ooh, stoked! This is wonderful!" And then when you came back an hour later, the color was just gone. So let's get going. This technique has just been a total experiment. I've never mixed so many stuff together, and you could go and hunt it all down. And then mix it and just playing with completely different things. Plus, I have never had these primary elements paints before. So it's most of you probably know. I'm probably the only one that didn't know, but it's a dry powdered. And you turn it into a liquid paint with your medium. It comes with a medium that you can mix it with, but I haven't used it like that yet because I've been doing this technique. All right, so I'm going to start with the dark purple. So you put the pillow paint down first. They call it the pillow. So it'll hold all the other paint. You put it down first. Okay. And then stack the colors on top of it. Now for the daffodil. Okay. And now you blow. So apparently the method is you blow straight down and then you start blowing out to the sides. So I think I can keep you on camera. Hopefully my head won't get too much in the way. Let's just go for it. Okay, one more. There we go. All right, now you have to give it a couple minutes for the paint to come back up to the top because after blowing it like that. So I will be back in a couple minutes. Okay, so now we are going to stretch it, which is a very slow process with this particular method. So I think I will go that way first. Because the paint is so thick, it takes it a while. Oh, forgot. You can just spread your white out. It makes it easier for the paint. And I should be wearing gloves. Okay, hold on just a second. I gotta get the gloves on. Okay. Just gonna add a little bit of white to the corner. It's faster. Yeah, it's important to wear gloves with this method because of the different additives you're adding. Makes it more chemically. I am the worst. Like, I always forget to get the gloves or whatever. Okay, now let's finish. Tilting this way. I think I had started tilting this way, but it's okay. We'll tilt this way now. Okay, and then go take your weight back to the middle. And then tilt to the side. Okay, then move it back to the middle. And now we're going to go off this side. And back to the middle. All right, that is gorgeous. And when it dries, the shimmer is going to be crazy. So let me bring you in for a close-up. So here's a close-up. Look at that lacing, it's so pretty. Having a lot of fun just experimenting with this, trying different colors, seeing how it works. It's a lot of fun, guys. You have to try it. Check out Tammy Anderson's video. I'll link it below. Thanks for watching. Be inspired.